Right, good morning, and this, as you can see here, is a dash cam, and it's got no power in it at the minute, but you can see it's a standard size sort of dash mounted camera that you have for recording any possible accidents. Oh, we have got a bit of power. You've got a screen there, and it records in 1080p full HD, and you can see it's recording right now, and it's on a 3-minute loop, so it will capture any events, and you can go back and look at the footage. Now, that's all well and good. That's a normal sized dash cam, as you can see there. I'm going to put that in the background there so you can refer to that in a minute. But we've been sent this from a company called Conbrov. It is the world's smallest starlight dash cam. Don't ask me what starlight means. Get a lot of dash cams with the word starlight on it. Here you can see it's got a G sensor, it's got motion detector, detection system. It's also got a 1.5-inch LCD screen. So maybe not as big as the screen on the one you've just seen, but still usable, and you don't really look at it much apart from watching footage back and maybe using the interface, and then it stays on your dash for the rest of the time and records away by itself. So you've got a 110-degree wide angle. It goes up to 1080p again, and it's got a card reader. Obviously, you've got to supply your own micro SD card. It comes with the charging cable, which is nice and long. I'm not going to get that out right now, but you've got a little holder like that sticks onto your windscreen, and then it hangs off here. Now, never mind that. I'm going to show you the actual camera itself, because this was such a surprise when I saw it. Remember that dash cam in the background, and here is the Conbrov one. It is such a diddy little thing. Look at that as comparison. That is insane. It is so tiny, so you can hide it behind your mirror or in your car very easily indeed. I'm going to try and focus on this so you can actually see it a bit better, but you can see the sheer size of it compared to my hands. You've got a micro USB charging port on the top. It comes with the cable. You've got up and down sort of controls on there. You've got a reset button on the bottom, and the micro SD card slots in the side there. See if we can get it powered up. We've got a little bit of an interface. I think it may have gone flat, but oh, there you go. Obviously, the screen isn't as high definition as the previous one. It's going to moan at me because there's no SD card in, but you can see that I've got a menu system there. I can alter the resolution. I can navigate the menu system with those up and down buttons on the side. You can turn whether you want the audio on or off, or the date stamp on. You can also adjust the screensaver. You can flip the lens across. You can change the frequency, format the card if you wish. It's all very straightforward, I must admit. There's not really much that can go wrong. It's going to record with 3-minute loop. It's full HD, same as the other one. It's using internal storage at the moment, but you put a micro SD card in there. You can adjust the loop recording setting here. It's all very straightforward, nice and easy buttons, very easy. So this 3-minute loop at the minute, you can adjust that from 5, 10, 1 and 2 minutes, or no loop at all if you wish. So that's about it for the interface. It's very easy to use. I will show you the resolution output later on when we do the full review. I just wanted to give you an overview of how small this thing is. It really is tiny. So it's just an overview of the Conbrov dash cam. It's the world's smallest starlight dash cam, and I'll put links in the article on how you can get the thing. But here it is, compare and contrast with a normal size dash cam alongside, and you can see just the size difference on that.